Prologue. Life is easy when you live it the hard way. The only difference between mediocrity and success are making the hard choices. The choice to stop eating unhealthy food and pick what's better for you. The choice to get rid of your television set and spend time educating yourself. The choice to follow your dreams instead of conforming to the common idea of success that doesn't give you joy. The choice to keep fighting when you can barely stand on your feet. Self-discipline is the key that helps you make those hard decisions instead of sticking to what's easy. People who focus on instant gratification, things that are safe, easy, and comfortable, rarely reach their long-term goals. But how do you build self-discipline in your life? How do you resist short-term rewards in order to reach your long-term goals? This course, based on my book, How to Build Self-Discipline, Resist Temptations, and Reach Your Long-Term Goals, has the answers to these questions. Although I've been a self-disciplined person ever since I can remember, thank you, Mom, I always seek more information and advice about making myself more effective at resisting temptations. In my search, I've done some crazy things. I abstained from food for over 40 hours. For 2 months, I took 2 5-minute-long ice-cold showers every single day. I went on a strict diet and lost over 30 pounds in 12 weeks. On more than several occasions, I ran in shorts in below freezing weather for 30 minutes. I lifted heavy weights to the point I saw stars in my head. I wrote over 100,000 words in a single month, which amounts to a 400-page-long novel. Why the heck did I do all of these crazy things? The answer is simpler than you think. No, I'm not a masochist. I did them to test my boundaries and discover how far my self-control goes, and I'm not done experimenting. I have no doubt there's nothing more important to a successful life than to maintain a high level of self-discipline and keep growing on a daily basis. Hence, I challenge myself. I want to find out if I can resist the temptation to eat after fasting for almost 2 days, or go home when the frigid air makes my legs go numb. My experiments help me understand myself better and teach me useful things about self-discipline, things that can be applied to anyone's life. Don't worry, though. You don't have to make yourself go through my crazy experiments. Your willingness to understand how discipline works and applying this knowledge in your life is all you need to change yourself. Whether you want to learn how to stick to your new eating pattern or transform your entire life, you'll find out in the following video lessons designed to make learning the most important concepts fun and easy to remember. Most of the advice shared in this course is based on scientific research referenced in the additional resources. To help you get the most out of the course in the shortest possible time, I decided not to go into detail about each study. Instead of focusing on the detailed why, with confusing and boring descriptions of studies, I will focus on how. Without further ado, let's start. In a little over an hour, you'll get all of the tools you need to become a more self-disciplined person and finally achieve your long-term goals.